Show me.
It's gonna be legendary. Trust me, it's gonna be legendary. It's gonna be legendary. It's gonna be legendary. It's gonna be legend. Wait for it. And I hope you're not lactose intolerant because the second half of that word is dairy. No. Legendary. Legendary. Ted, legendary. Barney. Because after 2 a.m. is when things get, audience, say it with me, legendary. No, come on. Yes. Dude, we haven't hit legendary yet. We're only at the le. We still got the gen, the de, the re. And it's going to be legendary. They must be dying to meet me after all the legendary Barney stories you told them.
Wait, legend.